To factor this trinomial, we can use the AC method to factor this, but we can also check and see if we have a perfect square trinomial. So let's look at the first and the last term. They both must be perfect squares in order for us to have a perfect square trinomial. And then the middle term must be the product of the square root of the first term, and the square root of the last term. So let's see what the square root of the first and the last terms are, and let's see what we have. So the square root of the first term is 3x, and the square root of the second term is 2. And so we want to see if 2 times 3x times 2 gives us the middle term. So 2 times 3x times 2 is going to be 12x. Even though the term in the polynomial is negative 12x, the negative just tells us the sign we should use when we factor the trinomial. So basically we're going to have 3x minus 2 squared. That's how we factor a perfect square trinomial. Because what's happening is that the pattern is a squared plus or minus, depending on the polynomial, 2ab plus b squared. And so if it follows that pattern, then we can factor it by just saying a plus or minus, depending on the polynomial, b squared. So a in this case is 3x, and b in this case is 2.